Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about the while loop in C++. Okay, so let's get started. So you guys are probably familiar with the concept of statements or conditions in C++, so we will have to use this. So let's start by creating we need to create a variable out of the scope of the while loop. Okay, so let's create something like number, which is going to be equal 0. So we're going to use this variable. So we need to create a variable out of the scope of the loop itself, and we're going to do while, and we can now create some statements. So we're going to use this as kind of a our instrument to write this loop. So let's say while the number is less than 10. Okay. So you guys can see that it's very similar to a for loop. We have the element of creating a variable and assign some value. We have the statement, the condition itself, and we need an increment. So we can do a number plus plus as follows. So you guys can see that the structure is pretty similar. So if you do cout number, actually need to add an and L. I'm gonna try to see this. Okay, we are clear now. Yeah, we are. Let's execute. So you guys can see that we have the same output as a for loop. So the structure is almost the same of a for loop, but I think the main difference here is that while can have some arbitrary value. Okay, we can change the value of a kind of a signal a variable to control the flow of the loop itself. So we're gonna definitely try to see how that goes, but for this video, that's the tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.